Oh, hey guys! Welcome to week number 8. I'm actually going to be showing you how to win on your offer and how to write an offer that's going to be irresistible to the seller. So I'm going to give you 6 of my tips. Tip number 1, you're going to want to add a pre-approval to your offer. This is going to make you stand out and also show to the seller that you are absolutely serious about this purchase. Number 2, always be professional with both your realtor and the sellers. This is actually going to show the sellers that you are easy to work with. Listen, you're going to want to put your best price and your best foot forward with this offer because you may not get a second shot. So make sure we do it highest and best the first time. So listen, if you're going to be able to pay for this purchase all cash, let me know. This actually looks amazing for your offer because it looks a lot less risky than having to finance for your home. Another tip is to make sure that for your offer, we are offering to close as quickly as possible and also minimize the contingencies that we add to our contract unless they are absolutely needed. And last but definitely not least, I would definitely suggest for you to create a letter that you can send in with your offer. It's the smallest things and the smallest gestures that can make the biggest impact between you winning your offer and losing it. All right, guys, so next week, tune back in because I'm going to actually be teaching you what to expect once you're under contract.